of mind. Peace can be achieved by rational thinking and adhering to strict moral values. Mind should be controlled and directed towards constructive thinking, ideas, and working. In this direction, study of good books, lives of great men, self-respect, attitude of responsibility towards society and the nation will help a great deal. Our principle of peaceful living center on the ethical and sustainable application of technologies, which would aim to provide basic needs for everyone without compromising the planet resources. Here are the steps which can help you to discover your journey towards living in peace. Seek to love, not control others. Find your inner peace. Moderate your conviction. Be tolerant. Peace. Reflection of thought. Seek forgiveness, not revenge. This is very important one. Live in joy. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Peace should be our way of life. Almost all religions teach the importance of living peacefully in human life. The Bible tells us about an eternal life and a paradise, yet living in a peace and harmony. Hinduism tells us Om Vishwam Shanti Mastu, which means let the world prevail in peace. Useless you can find some sort of loyalty, you cannot find unity and peace in your active living. By Josiah Roy. If you can live in harmony with all lives surrounding you, there is peaceful living. Disorder of sound, that is noise. Harmony of sound, music. Next we are going to discuss about caring. What is the meaning of caring? Goal of caring is to help the other actualize himself. Caring is an extension of oneself. Devotion and consistency are essential elements of caring. Caring for another helps the other to care for and about others. Help in a way that the cared for can go on to help himself. Learning and living a life of caring involves all other values. Caring involves desire, motivation and inclination. Genuinely caring can be magical experience. Are you clear? Caring is the heart of ethics. Okay? It is a process which exhibits the interest, support, the welfare of others with fairness, impartiality. It includes showing respect to the feeling of others and also respecting and preserving the interest of all others concerned. It is reflected in activities such as friendship, membership in social clubs, and professional societies and through various transactions in the community. What do you understand from this picture? I care for myself, for others, and our school community. As an engineer, have capacity for genuinely caring about the public safety, health, and welfare. Engineers are strongly motivated by self-interest, but they are also capable of responding to moral reason in their own right, as well as additional motive concerned with the particular nature of their work. Okay, thank you for your attention.